Good day, everyone. Learn how to enable secure boot in Windows 11. I'll tell you the easiest way to enable or disable secure boot in Windows 11. So, the very first step here is to do the right click on the start icon and then go to settings. And here we will go to the second option which says system and we will click on that. And at the right side, we have display sound. We will scroll down and we will go to recovery, reset, advanced data. So we will click on that. Now here we need to go to this advanced data, restart your device to change startup settings, including static. So I'll click on restart now. Now, once you have clicked on restart, a window will appear like this where you will have continue, use a device and troubleshoot. So we will click on troubleshoot and then we will go to advanced options and here we will go to UEFI firmware settings, change settings in your PC. So I will click on that and we will click on restart. Now you will have a window like this. There could be a possibility that you will have a different information or different screen right like this. And here we need to go to this boot or settings option. So in my computer, I have directly boot, but in your case, you might have settings and we need to go to settings or boot. So I'll click on boot and here we have secure boot turned on. From here, you can simply turn off or turn it on like this. And you need to click on save. And you will also have different keys to save it, like F10 to save, F11 to save and exit, like that. So the motive is to go to the boot section of the BIOS, and there we will find secure boot control, secure boot certificate. So it is for Microsoft only, and I'll click on, once you click on off, you can turn it on and select Microsoft Windows or secure boot supported OS. So I'll just select Microsoft Windows only. And once you're done, you just need to click on save and you need to click on OK and restart. So this is how you can enable secure boot in your Windows 11 laptop or desktop. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.